afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question, question number 74. And the instruction to this question says fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. And to this question, this instruction is to answer question from 71 to 100. And the statement here says the next day they all appeared in dash court. The next day they all appeared in dash court. Option A I, B a magistrate, C a supreme, D an appeal, E an industrial. Now a case of this nature rather, that is between two or three fellows, 2 to 3 persons at, let's say, at local environment, is handled by magistrate court before it will get to high court. And remember that we have levels of courts. We have the magistrate, we have the high court, we have the federal high court, you also know that. Then we also have the appeal court, then we have the Supreme Court, which is the highest court in the land. So, and by the time we read further, we find out that it is actually a magistrate court. So the next day they all appeared in magistrate court. So option B is correct. So the next day they all appear in magistrate court. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.